InstaShare Button lets you instantly share your screen to a BenQ display with just one tap. Just pair it once and keep using the button for unlimited screen sharing. To do this, plug the Wi-Fi adapter into the dedicated USB port on the side of the display. To access this port, remove the secure USB cover and put it back when you're done. Open Settings, go to Network, and enable Hotspot. Then make sure that gigahertz is selected. Before you proceed, check that Wi-Fi is disabled. Next, plug the InstaShare button into the display. For RP02 interactive displays and the VCO1A video bar, use the provided USB adapter and connect it to the USB-A port. This will automatically launch the setup window. Click OK to continue. You can then specify a name for the button. Once setup is complete, the light on the InstaShare button will turn blue, meaning it's ready for use. Plug it into your laptop, wait for the green light to stop blinking, and then press the button to start sharing.